Hello and welcome to our exploration of the dark side of artificial intelligence. Is AI really as dangerous as some people make it out to be, or is it a blessing in disguise? There's no denying that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already changing the way we interact with the world around us. But with every technological advancement comes a certain level of risk. Some people worry that as AI becomes more advanced, it could pose a threat to our jobs, our privacy, and even our very existence. One concern is that AI could eventually replace humans in the workforce, leading to widespread unemployment. Additionally, the use of AI in decision-making processes, such as hiring and parole recommendations, has raised concerns about bias and discrimination. There are also fears that the increasing reliance on AI could lead to a loss of privacy, as more and more personal data is collected and analyzed. However, it's important to remember that AI is just a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. While there are valid concerns about the potential risks of AI, there are also many potential benefits. AI has the potential to save lives, streamline processes, and improve the efficiency of various industries. Ultimately, the question of whether AI is dangerous or good is a complex one. While it's important to be mindful of the potential risks, it's also crucial to recognize the many ways in which AI can improve our lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey to examine the dark side of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Is AI dangerous, or is it a force for good? Let us know in the comments below.